Hello and welcome to Animal Watch, and today we're in Ireland meeting the Irish wolfhound. From the historic cobbled streets of Dublin to the windswept moors of Mount Leinster, we'll walk beside one of the largest hounds on earth. We'll share a true Irish Guinness in his homeland, uncover why only royalty could once claim him, and reveal how this giant became known as the greatest wolf killer of all time, the very dog that hunted Ireland's last wolf into history. Stay with me. This is a story of power, tragedy, and the haunting legacy of Ireland's most noble and iconic hound, the Irish wolfhound. In twilight's hush by Barrow Stone, where heather sighs and cold winds moan, a giant hound with eyes of flame still guards the fields that bear no name. And when the dawn breaks cold and pale, the grass lies bent along the vale, a fleeting trace, a phantom bound, the ghost of Ireland's faithful hound. An ancient breed with an ancient soul, said to go back 2,000 years. His all-knowing eyes and wiry wizard beard